Explore why earning a PhD after an MBA could be a lucrative professional. Let's see briefly in this video. Here are numerous career scopes, why pursuing a PhD after an MBA can be valuable. Texila PhD allows you deeper understanding into your field of interest, expanding your expertise beyond MBA program. Through your PhD program in Texila, you'll have the chance to network with scholars, researchers, industry professionals, expanding your connections. A PhD can increase your mobility and access to international opportunities. PhD students may obtain highly profitable careers in industries like marketing, finance, human resource, etc. Admissions are now open for the PhD program at Texila. If you or anyone you know is considering pursuing a PhD, this could be a great opportunity. Apply now.